subgroup Alvarez, Bersamen, Calvo, and Ramirez. You will get to know them later. But for now, I am occupying your screen since last week or earlier this month, we are tasked to conduct a survey and presentation task on frequency distribution as part of our subject course Applied Statistics.
A few moments later.
Oops! To start and cut your agony, our group came up with the following titles. On our qualitative, we have the medium of distribution in receiving daily allowances of the selected 40 students in BSTM program, while in our quantitative, we have the daily allowances of the selected 40 students in BSTM program.
A few moments later.
The variables are the qualitative is the medium of distribution, while in the quantitative is daily allowances. Our sampling technique is non-probability sampling, specifically convenience sampling. Why? Because it is the easiest way in gathering the data. In quantitative data, cash has the most numbered data in the medium of allowances in the 40 selected students of the BSTM program, followed by remittances and check as the lowest. While in the quantitative data, majority of the selected students has the allowances amounting 100 pesos, and the least allowances that is being received with the selected students is 40 pesos. In the highest allowance of 40 selected students of BSTM program is 200 pesos.
A few moments later.
As we can see in the bar graph about the distribution in receiving the allowance, the class of cash is the highest frequency with 33, in the class of check with 1, and lastly, the remittance class with a frequency of 6. In this kind of graph, it doesn't need to put the class in order. Unlike the Pareto chart that the orders of classes really matters. It can be ascending or descending or vice versa. In our case, we use as the ascending to descending, where the cash has the highest frequency with 33, followed by remittances with 6, and check with 1.
A few moments later.
Categorical frequency distribution comprises of class, tally, frequency, and percentage. Cash has the highest frequency and percent, which is 33 and 82.5%, followed by remittances, which has 6 and 15%, and followed by check, which has 1 frequency and 2.5%. Pie chart of the distribution medium in receiving the allowance. Cash has the highest percentage, which is 82.50%, followed by remittances, 15%, and check with 2.50%.
A few moments later.
In group frequency distribution, it comprises class interval, class boundary, class mark, tally, frequency, cumulative frequency, percentage, and the cumulative percentage. In getting class interval, we should determine first the number of class and the approximated class width. In the number of class, we use the formula 1 plus 3.322 log n, in which n stands for number of data. In approximated class width, the highest data minus lowest data divided by number of class, and you will get the approximated class width. In class interval, we start from the lowest data and add the approximated class width until we reach the highest data. In class boundary, you will subtract 1 on the lower class limit and add 0.5. In upper class limit, just add 0.5. In tally, we refer to the data and find the data where it belongs in the class interval. In frequency, you will just count the tally to get it. In cumulative frequency, copy the first frequency and add to the second one, and answers will add to the third frequency, and so on. In percentage, we use the formula frequency of each class over number of data times 100. In cumulative percentage, copy the first percentage and add the second one. And answer will add to the third percentage, and so on.
A few moments later.
In histogram, we use as frequency and class boundary. Class boundaries are 39.5 with 9 frequency, 64.5 with 2 frequency, 89.5 with 21 in frequency, 114.5 with 2 frequency, 139.5 with 3 frequency, and 164.5 with 0, while 189.5 has 3.
On frequency polygon, we uses class mark on x-axis and frequency on y-axis. Correspondingly, class marks are the following: 52 with 9 frequency, 77 with 2 frequency, 102 with 21 frequency, 127 with 2 frequency, 152 with 3 frequency, 177 with 0, and 102 with 3 frequency. In ogive, we uses class boundary on x-axis and cumulative frequency on y-axis. Correspondingly, class boundary are the following: 39.5 with 0 cumulative frequency, 64.5 with 9, 89.5 with 11, 114.5 with 32, 139.5 with 34, 164.5 with 37, and 189.5 with 40.
A few moments later.
Hey, what's up? And that wraps up the whole video, ladies and gentlemen. In behalf of our group, Bersamen, Calvo, Ramirez, and Gamalo, this is James. We would like to extend our warmest thanks and greetings to our professor, Sir Ellvan Campos, for your guidance and mentorship in the whole conduct of this activity. We would do nothing without you, sir. Thank you. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for tuning in and for listening to our report or for our task or presentation or whatsoever it is. You are free to comment down below on your comments and suggestions. Once again, thank you everyone and hope you've learned something. And we will see you soon. Thank you and God bless everyone.